as he had already appealed in his video, what he had, it was already circulated in the media. Okay, so he has come to Bangalore to come. The whole object was to come before the SIT and to give his cooperation to the interrogation purpose. So he has come forward. Yesterday, as expected, as an SOP, as a standard operating procedure, he was detained or he was held at immigration center and he has been handed over, which is rightly as per the procedures. Probably rest, as I said, the reason as he has come forward is to cooperate to the investigation. That is what he's been doing. And that is what he told me, sir, I am here, I am ready to give the cooperation. And one another thing, what he additionally requested, especially media, is that kindly don't do any media trial. That is his request to the media. And he says that let there be no conviction even before there being a proper hearing from my end also. So I request and I appeal all the medias, especially English as well as Kannada channels. You have your work to do, but let it not infringe any of his legal rights. That's all I can appeal.
Pertaining to which case has the arrest been shown by the SIT? Pertaining to which case?
So today, what I was informed is he's arrested in the Ole Narsipura case. That is the first case he's been 107.
Now all the anticipatory bail pleas will stand cancelled now because he has been arrested.
That you please see how it happens in the court hall. As of now, nothing, sir. Nothing.
In one case only he has been arrested, sir.
Let us see, because ultimately now he's been detained or arrest procedure has happened by the police. So the immediate next procedure is that within 24 hours he is supposed to be produced before the magistrate. So let us also understand what is the intention of the investigating agency. Neither I questioned, neither they told me. So that is ultimately our work and their duty, and my duty is before the court.
As of now, he is arrested in one case only.
Yes.
Which one case is that?
That is the first case, Ole Narsipura case.
Z News.